Welcome back, ghouls and goblins, to the 9th and spookiest episode of ECTV Tries, where we undergo a new adventure every week. I'm an emo kid.
I'm Bonnie the Bunny.
And I'm Luke Danes from Gilmore Girls, and we're your triers for the week.
As always, we have not been told what we will be doing today, but we have been given a hint. The information we were told about this challenge is that this trick is no treat.
And
which makes me think this entire episode is going to be a punishment.
I'm deeply unnerved because Jesse walked over here with 3 cups of water.
Oh yeah, you guys can't tell. There's 3 cups of water to the side of us, just chilling there.
And I'm only mildly unnerved.
You specifically have an issue with water on the show.
Come back to when I got dumped with a bucket of water because I don't know anything about Jesse.
Yeah.
I'm looking.
What do you think?
I think it's going to be very spooky. If this is the spookiest episode, I'm expecting big things.
Yeah, I really want us to go to like Field of Screams or something and just, that's it. They have to pay for it though.
Do you think it'd be funny if Jesse walked in his spider costume and that was it?
She comes out from the back.
She's hiding right there right now.
He's right behind me, isn't he?
Okay.
All right.
With that then, we're gonna take a gander. Who wants to do the honors of finding out what we're supposed to do for tonight?
They're sick of us, so you should do it.
Yes.
We've been on every episode ever.
It's so true, yeah. Ooh.
Your task. Everyone must eat one of each of the bugs provided. Those who refuse or spit out the bugs lose.
Oh. They chose 2 people that have texture and
I have to eat bugs on this show?
Wait, like gummy worms?
Oh my god.
son.
Can you
I have some
imagine?
news
It better
for you.
just be gummy worms.
Gummy worms? Right?
I want to know where the bugs came from.
Where did you get
What's the water for? What's the water
Like she just came in and just started picking worms out of the dirt. All right. So we'll be right back. We're just gonna find some bugs for you real quick.
We're gonna go dig them up.
BRB. All right, welcome back. Our challenge is to eat bugs. There are 5 different types in the package. We have to eat and swallow each type of bug, but if we spit it out or refuse to eat it at all, we will lose a point. I'm not at all excited to do this. I think you are probably the most stressed about this.
I'm very stressed about this. I have a lot of issues with food texture and stuff, and these bugs
I'm cracking this baby
notoriously
open.
are not going to be a pleasant texture.
I'm cracking this fella
We're
open.
opening these buggies.
I'm interested for like the crunchiness level of them all.
Oh, so true. Can we give like a rating? Can we give like a tier list of
This one's a
each
6.
tier list? We also have a can behind us.
In
just
case we feel
worst case
violently ill
scenario.
after eating a bug.
Worst case
Believe it
scenario.
or not, insects might not taste very good.
Oh my god, they're in like, what? What is this? Hello? It's a packet inside of a packet.
That felt unnecessary.
Wait, so are they each in their own little packet?
No, it's
No,
just
it's
like
like
a
one
giant
big.
packet.
Oh, are we gonna have to sort them out? Because we're trying one of each of the 5.
Yes.
Okay.
So, okay, there it is. Okay. So the bugs that we have are grasshoppers, house crickets, silkworms, field crickets, sago worms, and salt.
Salt, that's my favorite
My
bug.
favorite bug is salt. So, here's packet number 2. At least it won't smell, you know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't have like any type of seasoning on it that could make it
What's like
any
smell
type of
pungent.
seasoning?
What's
Any
salt?
type of seasoning, say for salt. My favorite scent is salt. I can't get this open.
You want to try?
It's a
You
little
have like weird
embarrassing.
gloves on.
It's a little embarrassing that I can't get a packet open.
Oh god.
This is
No,
it.
I got it.
Oh,
yay.
Why am
Good
I opening the
times.
bugs? Wait,
okay.
I looked at it. It's fine. No, I got it.
All right.
All right, guys, ready for the bug reveal?
Bug reveal. Oh, yo.
This one looks really yummy.
Absolutely not. That's the real challenge.
This is the real challenge. Eat the oxygen absorber. All right, I'm gonna move.
I'm a
this.
little wigged out at this. If I'm gonna be real with you.
It's just
I'm gonna be
At least
a brave
we have,
one. Okay,
At least we have a
it's
picture reference this time.
these are the
around.
bugs. I'm gonna give you all. Oh, sorry,
Oh,
that
God,
one's.
you're just gonna throw them at me.
Here's a nice juicy one for you.
Which one is this?
I
I don't know.
don't
bugs.
know. I don't
We're
really
gonna
know.
find out.
oh. What is
I'm
this
gonna,
one?
I'm
Okay.
gonna take a stab.
This
at
That
one?
one looks so. No, the one like that one. It looks so.
This one?
interesting.
Oh God.
They're so.
What is that?
Everybody's
You
so
get the
creative.
special big one because you pointed that one out to
Oh
me.
no, I was talking about this one with like the
It looks
wings
like
and stuff.
This is
It looks
definitely like a grass.
That looks like a
I don't think I
rye
can do
chip.
this.
That looks
That
like
looks
a
like a
rye
potato
chip.
chip.
I'm not gonna
Alright.
eat the potato. Well,
The
wait,
rye
maybe I
chip
can
from the
trick
Chex
myself
Mix
into-
bag.
I think this is one of the ones.
Okay,
I
yeah,
think.
that's
I'm
definitely
literally
a
just, like,
worm.
Picking it.
One of the worms. This is so distressing. I'm
Oh my
mildly
gosh.
unnerved.
This
These are hard to pick up.
It smells familiar. I don't know how to explain it, but it has
Salt.
a very
Smells familiar.
Salt smells like salt. This one's so
Thanks.
big and scary. This is a
Excuse
huge
me?
bug. That's true. I can't really talk here. You need one of these.
Yeah, I need
Oh, God, I got stuck
Oh
in my
wait,
finger.
okay, yeah. There's more than one of those.
Here's a
big
mealworm. Oh, here. That's my last 5. Then there, I got
are
me
you?
sorted out.
How
Oh,
do
you
you-
need a mealworm?
That is not one of the options.
Mealworm? Some of them are like beheaded.
so
I think that's the
one,
grossest part about this. I'm sorting through
2,
carcasses.
No, I'm like, what is this
5.
one?
There's 5.
Is that
How many do you have?
I have 5. I have
I
mine
have
sorted. I'm trying to like match
3,
mine.
4.
To
I only
yours.
have 4.
Yeah, I know.
I have.
Okay, cool.
You're
We're just fighting for
you're
our
miss-
lives right
I
Yeah.
need that.
you're missing this bad boy.
Yeah, I'm missing that one too.
You're missing this one too?
Oh,
Or
that
not
is
the pea. No,
absolutely
you're
a
missing one more
cricket.
too.
Yeah.
You're missing a mealworm.
Give me the smallest mealworm.
I'm comparing them to pack.
Okay, I think after the one I gave you, I can do it.
Okay. Yeah.
Yay!
This is not all right. Now that we have successfully sorted our creatures, which one do we want to go with? Do we just want to get like the
I don't like that I have all of them on mine. That's why did I volunteer for that part?
Because you're front and center.
I know.
Do we want to go with the most unnerving one first? Which I think, in my opinion, is this.
I don't think I can
the
eat
one with like
wings.
the grasshopper thing.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is a grasshopper. To
very
my knowledge.
obvious. Very, very clearly.
I saw one of
in
these
my
earlier.
I'm trying to
Definitely-
make sure people can see it. Like, I think this is almost definitely like a
That is definitely some kind
grasshopper.
of grasshopper.
Comparing it to the size of my pinky.
Yeah, no,
Like,
that's
It's just a baby.
not fun. I've never held a bug like this before as well. I've never picked up an insect,
Yeah,
and
I
now
don't
here
know.
I am. I'm
There's an
bugging.
There's an allergy warning for crustaceans.
For crustaceans? I guess they're
Should
like
we just-
siblings.
Okay, okay.
Oh wait, this is mine.
Yeah.
Get mine.
So we do
Oh my
have
God,
our cups.
this is
we do have
so-
our cuppas of water.
Hold on, why don't we start with the mealworm? I'm a little nervous.
that
This
the
one
little
seems
guy?
like easy.
Are you
This
sure?
fella, right?
Yeah.
Talk about the little
I
baby.
don't think I can do this.
This line.
Hold
Okay.
Okay, as a group, we should decide now, like bites or like pop it.
I feel like we just chuck the whole thing in.
This
and get
one, I
it
feel
over
like we can just.
with. Yeah, it's just one and go. One and done. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. I see where you're, yeah.
I'm not feeling that, to be honest.
Why did?
Oh,
Are
I
you
have.
gonna say it tastes good?
No, absolutely not. No, that was just interesting experience.
That was not the taste. Like,
I
I have
don't.
a very specific experience of that tastes like.
I was gonna say the initial taste was weirdly kind of nice and just like salty. I got to what I assume was the head of the creature,
Oh.
and that the texture of that wigged me out a bit. But I was really brave about it. Thank you, everyone. Please like and subscribe. I was brave.
End of the video.
Thank you.
That's it.
Thank you.
All right.
That's it.
Okay. Before
I don't
lose,
think I can do the whole grasshopper. I'm gonna be so real. I'm gonna push that one.
I don't know.
God.
Okay. I think.
Oh, I forgot we're getting judged on this too.
Oh yeah. Oh my God.
Well, hey, we all got 1 point.
Yay! Okay.
I still have pieces of mealworm in my mouth.
Yep.
Ew.
Mm.
Should we just do this one? Should we just?
Sorry. That's so funny. Okay. Okay.
I'm getting pieces
Um,
of bug.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry. That was yucky.
I'm sorry. There's a bug in my food.
Can I set this back, please?
Okay.
Ew,
which one?
look
Which
at
one are
this
we doing
one.
next?
It's okay, sorry.
So-
Okay.
Should we do this one? What's this one?
This one?
What is that?
Look at the little stinger. This might be the little worm.
I saw
Wait,
this-
this is a stinger.
Excuse me.
It has a stinger.
I don't think that cannot possibly be a stinger.
No.
That would not be safe for someone to consume if it had a stinger.
Well, I just killed it if it did.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like I saw this flying around my dorm.
Yeah. Schlosser dorms be like,
What? Which one is that?
did you not get that one?
Did I not get that one? I have.
Maybe you got.
I have
Maybe
just, like-
those are the same one.
Okay,
And they just had a
I just
head.
gotta find one that
Okay,
looks
yeah.
like this.
Well, yeah. Let's get
Definitely.
you another one.
Okay,
Well,
I have to find a little wormy
here you
fellow.
go. I got you a worm.
Just a little guy?
Oh, okay.
All right, dope. Great. Fantastic.
Excuse me. I just want to puke. That's all.
All right. 1.
Wait, hold on.
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna bite this one. I'm gonna be a loser. Sorry, guys.
1,
Okay.
3.
It tastes like salt. Do I get not points if I don't eat the whole thing? Can we get? Can I get a
Just a
no points?
half a point? Oh.
Take it, director.
It's like the first potato chip factory.
No, it's not. What? Just like a potato chip. My ears are crooked. Sorry,
Ew.
everyone. Didn't mean to get rid of the illusion that I'm actually Bonnie the Bunny.
That was not pleasant.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that.
All right. Okay.
What if I put a bug in my water?
No.
Bug juice.
Crustacean.
Isn't that a thing, bug juice?
Yes, but it's actually good. Don't.
This is delicious.
Okay, what's the next one?
Which one? Are we
No,
doing?
I need to trade mine.
Okay, I will give you a
cannot-
smaller one. I did that to be funny.
This is the size of a quarter.
Yeah, no,
This is
that's
the
like an
size of a
actually
quarter.
like not fair one because
Like-
ours are both actual
No.
size.
Here
you go.
I feel like I need a better yeah.
How's that? I think you got a mutated one.
No, like,
That's a rye chip,
That's literally a potato chip.
straight from the Chex Mix bag. All
Is
right.
anyone else like shaking a little bit?
I'm
it's the
not.
bugs.
I'm a little bit.
I'm not simply because
The bugs
I'm
are
not present.
deleted.
We're all just being jitterbugs.
Okay. All right.
Sorry.
I hate this. I'm never doing tries
I'll see
again.
this
I'm
here.
quitting after this
Okay.
episode.
Which one do we want to do?
I don't.
This one.
The little one?
I don't like
Whatever
the one
this
with
is.
the wings.
I'm not excited for wings.
Why
I
don't-
almost want to get those out of the way. But if we have to eat the whole thing,
I feel like there's gonna be lots
We're
of
just gonna
residue
go
with
at
the
it.
wings, and that's just gonna be
that's gonna.
everywhere.
You're
We just
correct.
have to go. We have to go for it. You know what?
Can
Get
we
it out
eat
of
it
the
in
way.
separate bites? It doesn't have to be one
Ew.
bite, like right?
What's worse? What if I break it in half?
Oh,
Eat the whole thing in
all
one
at
bite?
once?
Well, hold on. That rule wasn't established before my second round there.
That's
I
not
still
what
get full points for that one, right?
That's not what the paper said.
Yeah, that's what. Okay, okay, cool.
It's
Separate
just
bites.
that you have
okay.
to complete it in some form.
Yes.
To get the point.
I just saw
So what if we?
A Bug's Life, and now
You're avenging the ants by eating
I
the
am
grass.
avenging the ant.
Oh my god.
all right.
All right. What if we go wings, then the rest?
Oh,
as
I'm
a
just
group?
gonna pop the whole thing in.
think
I'm not
you're
gonna think
crazy. I
about
don't
it.
think
I'm not
you
gonna
do
think about it, and I'm just gonna go at it.
I can't believe we don't get points when we spit it out. That's so mean.
All right. Okay. We
Okay.
just gotta get it over with.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Clink.
Bro, this is the one that's gonna end me.
Yeah, this is it.
This is gonna end me.
That didn't sound good.
No. Yeah, we were right with the wings. They're
Yeah, I ate the wings first so I could get around it. Now it's time to eat the rest of this thing. Down the hatch, guys.
Figured it out. I figured out what these taste
that's
like.
disgusting. I will never complain about marketplace food again.
I figured out what this
Just kidding.
tastes like.
Marketplace is good. Marketplace is good.
Mm.
That was a
like
joke. That was
dog-
satire.
Wet
That was
dog
satire.
food.
It does not taste like wet dog. It tastes
It
like.
sure does.
How can something so dry taste wet?
Like the smell.
Okay, I do see that. It smells like dog food.
I'm always right.
It does smell good.
All right.
You know what? I'm
We're-
being a bit of a baby. That one was actually
Three
not that
down.
bad.
3 down. 2 to go.
2 to go. I don't
Okay,
know.
I think we should do the other wing guy. Okay, I will say I recommend separate bites for the wings. If the wings are what wigged you out because it was such a different thing, I enjoy my bugs one wing at a time.
I want to trade mine in for a smaller one.
I don't know about that
Girl.
one. Yours is the same size as this one.
No.
The other one was funny and like it was grotesquely big, but I think these are all the same size.
Yeah, they're all the same size.
You want a bigger one?
Just have,
I didn't
like,
give you that.
A bigger one.
That'd be
No.
mean.
Do you want a
No.
bigger one instead of the smaller size? All right. Okay. All right. It's fine. We're going at it.
Are we gonna cheers again? That made me feel safe.
I feel like yeah, we
This
should
one?
just cheers.
Come here, guys. Keep
Link.
soup.
Oh.
And how's that crunch? Nom nom nom. This is like sawdust.
You know what sawdust tastes like?
Mm-hmm. It tastes better than this.
Ew.
I'll drink to that.
This is disgusting.
Okay.
This is quite satisfying.
Okay. So
I'm
far.
very proud of myself.
Okay. So far, we're all winners.
Yeah, we all.
We all have
This
points.
is gonna be a really boring episode of tries because they're gonna be like,
They're
wow,
just gonna
no one
punish
gave
us.
up.
They're gonna punish us anyway
They're gonna
because
be
we're
like,
too
finish the
cowardly.
rest.
That's the real
Oh.
punishment.
All right. This one looks
all
a little easier than the
The
rest.
little winner, little man.
What is this one? Do we
a
have
baby.
a name?
I don't know.
Is this kind of worm?
It's one of the worms.
I think I've said that about every single one.
It's either
This
a
is a
silk or a sago worm.
If it's silk, maybe it'll be
Sago?
yummy.
I don't know. Don't any entomologists don't come after me for not knowing how to spell that. S-A-G-O.
Biomander's gonna be on our tails.
Oh, they're 100% natural ingredients.
Oh, good.
Okay,
I was
nice.
worried.
Good.
All right,
Argument
all right.
is
Vegan.
All right, guys. Last one. Woo! Cheers.
Clink.
Clink. Yummy.
Why was that one like the better?
No.
Never mind.
Mhm.
That one. Yeah, it's fine.
Everything's fine.
You know what you get to tell your mom you did when you go home today? I ate a bug.
I ate 5 bugs.
This is not good.
Mm.
Not good at all. It will just.
And I'd do it again, except I wouldn't.
That's wild. I'll just drop the link in
Okay,
the family
well,
group chat.
Okay, well, everyone completed their task.
Yeah, what do we win? Do we get a prize?
Do we get a
any
prize?
candy?
Do we get a little reward? Bonus round?
Is that actually?
An actual bonus round of who can eat the most of these bugs?
I am out of water. I need more water if you want me to do that.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely not.
I will graciously lose that bonus round. I
What if
will
we
accept
all
defeat.
choose? Oh, got him.
Yahoo!
Oh, get
That's the
pranked.
trick.
That was the trick. The bugs wasn't.
I'm so
Should I
distracted.
save these? Should I bag them up for the crew to try after? Does everyone want to try a bug later? It was really nice.
Everyone needs to try a bug. I don't care if you want one or not. You're trying a bug.
All right. I guess since we finished the bugs, in that case, we're all done.
And there was no reward.
Yeah, right.
Thanks for
so,
watching. Thanks
thank
for
you.
watching the next
Thank
episode.
you. Keep an eye out for next week's episode. I'm Bonnie the Bunny.
I'm an emo kid,
And I'm Luke Danes from Gilmore Girls.
and you're watching ECTV Tries. Thanks
Thank
for joining
you.
us. I'm gonna throw up.
Anymore.
Adam.
We'll flip. The wings are hard to go down. What do you
Do
think?
a flip.
What do you think?
Adam, do you have 2 bugs?
Yeah, he just.
He's about to have 3.
Adam's munching, eating them like chips.
No.
Snack them like
I wonder if you
goldfish.
combine them. Like combine, like.
You better come out, chuck 'em.
If you'll get.
Like cheese it duos? Like
Yeah.
2 separate flavors.
Oh, no,
It's
no,
like with
no.
Pringles chips. It's like.
You stack them.
Stack, yeah. See how the stack tastes.
Graduation.
Yeah, did you eat one?
Yummy. See how
I did.
see how
It's
the
not
stack
good.
is?
The first like chew isn't bad, but it's the aftertaste.
It's the after. That's the after texture.
Tastes
When
like
you
the-
have wing floating around in your mouth.
Tastes
Did
like
we really not get a prize for that? We eat so many bugs.
Thanks for watching ECTV Tries.
Ah.